Welcome back to the channel. My name is Ryan DeGill. I'm the owner-operator of Golf and Body located in Miami Beach, Florida. Slightly boring 2-minute video, but it's the importance of water. The goal is to educate you a little bit about how much water you should drink, what kind you should drink, and the importance of it, okay? Because we need to constantly be reminded that our body is composed of 70% water. If you're drinking tap water that is filled with over 200 chemicals in some cases, we're talking about fluorine and chlorine and all this sort of endocrine disruptors, also kills the beneficial bacteria in your gut. Did you know that you have up to 4 pounds of bacteria in your gut? It's actually called the enteric nervous system because 70% of your immune system is housed in the gut, okay? Not a lot of people know that, and so whatever you eat or consume has a direct imprint of what the quality of your health, okay? Number 2, the slide and glide mechanism of the fascia, which is very important, so you don't develop what's called bursitis or fascial lesions and things like this. Buildup of scar tissue. A bursa is a fluid-filled sac. It's also known as part of the fascial system, and it flows in and throughout the fascia to help create a little bit of space so there's no friction between muscle tissue and things like this, okay? And so when we're talking about water quality, I prefer glass over plastic. Even if it says BPA free, I still don't buy that something that is plastic and heated and transported some of those contaminants may get in the water. So I choose to just go with glass. It could be heavy and tedious, but it's gonna be worth it. I like Mountain Valley, is one of my favorites. When we're talking about the dissolved mineral solvents, this is the mineral content of the water, which is very important because overfiltrated water can actually rob your body of nutrients, okay? And so just because your water's filled, filters 6 or whatever times and people brag about that, that's actually a terrible thing. You're gonna want some mineral content in that water. And so I believe that's 220 to 230 total dissolved mineral solvents. A little bit higher is always better. Not so fan of the low mineral content water. And if you're unsure, pinch of sea salt, high quality sea salt, and that will definitely pay dividends, okay? And so when we're talking about movement and friction and all this kind of stuff, everything in the body has a slide and glide mechanism, and you're gonna wanna drink high quality water, drink often, at least half your body weight in ounces of water, and this is just a general guideline. Hopefully this gave you some useful information. Subscribe to the channel, like and share. Thanks for tuning in.